How's it going, everybody? Checking in here. Haven't been doing a whole lot of riding. Putting this heated jacket and heated grips to good use. It's getting cold around here. It's easy to get lazy and not go out for a ride when it's cold. But I'm trying to get out. Also, this Rona is wearing me out. Who else is getting worn out by this thing? I feel like I can't go anywhere. Can't get out, have fun. I can, but it's impeding. Easy to get lazy, like I said. Yeah, it's cold out here. I don't know how you Canadians do it. But anyways, just running a few errands today. Nothing too exciting. Running out of interesting things to do a little bit. With the cold and the Rona and the winter. Hasn't been too inspiring. But I've been getting a lot of stuff done at the house. Built a little shed. Built a little organizer. Did some drywall I've been putting off for a while. But may head into town a little bit, see what it looks like in Santa Cruz. Drive along the ocean, see what it looks like. It's probably a little warmer there than it is here in the mountains. Cold or not, feels pretty good to get back out on the bike. Got Christmas coming up here. Smoked a turkey for Thanksgiving, and I think I'm gonna smoke a whole ribeye for Christmas. Not sure what about New Year's, but definitely looking forward to smoked ribeye. Should be good. Yeah, my girlfriend and I went up to the Crest Christmas tree farm, picked up a little burn victim Christmas tree. And it's pretty nice. It's got one singed side, but I think it's gonna be a great tree. Yeah, I got some pretty good feedback on the Mount Hamilton video, Highway 130. Apparently that's a little more well-known road than I realized, or common motorcycle riding road. I should definitely do a video on the second half of that. The second half of that road was pretty epic as well. A lot of fun. And definitely need to check out Mines Road too. Sounds like that's a good one. Unfortunately, the junction was closed. Apparently that's a decent little place to stop. Make a quick stop at the UPS store here. Send a couple things back to the almighty Jeff Bezos. Get some of my money back. Alright, let's see what kind of craziness is going on in town. Take a little tool down La Madrona. Windy day. But yeah, back to Highway 130. I was on a race to beat the sundown on my way back, and man, once I hit the peak there and started coming back down, the sun was right in front of me. I could not see a thing. So yeah, maybe time your trip over that hill. Try not to get caught in the sunset. Just how I remember it. Except less busy. At least there's that. Well, that's a new building. Another beautiful day. Santa Cruz, California. Looking busy as ever down here. Well, the weather is great down here. But anyways, guys, this year has almost come to an end. Thank goodness. I hope you all have a good Christmas and a new year. And hopefully things will be better next year. Like and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.